Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation and your relationship. And Scorpios, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So we are picking cards for your circumstances, for your past, your present and your future, and what challenges you are facing today. So we will start with this card here, Scorpios. Knight of Wands. So you are thinking of some kind of a move today. Maybe you are seeing a change in your career, place of work, or you are planning for a change. So it may be some kind of plans, or it may be a circumstance making you change your place of work or place of residence. So some kind of move is coming, change of atmosphere is coming for you in your situation today. And maybe for some of you, it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe you are the one who is moving, or it may be your person, they are the one who's moving away from you. And you are a very skilled, talented person, and today in your circumstance you feel really confident, inspired, happy, and you feel that you can handle any circumstance. You can find that balance in your situation no matter what you see, and you feel inspired to do certain things. There may be some kind of an inspiration, something that is um, going to take you towards a new path, and you are having some difficulties maybe to go with your heart, whatever you wish for yourself, Scorpios, or whatever your circumstances are telling you. So there is a tug of war between your heart and your mind. So your mind tells you certain things, maybe what you are choosing, what you are wishing for yourself. It may be totally impractical. It may look like something that cannot happen, but that is the reason you are thinking that you cannot do it, but your heart wants it. So, some kind of a tug of war in your situation. You don't know whether this will work or not. So, some kind of anxiety you have today, Scorpios, in your circumstance. So, it may be something to do with your relationship or in your career situation. So, we have Two of Wands and 7 of Wands. So, today you were expecting certain things. Maybe it may be your energy a few days back or your past. You were working hard for something, you were planning for something and focused towards that, and you were trying your best, working hard for that. And today you are not seeing the results, maybe some kind of lack of clarity, because you have choices before you and you don't know which will work or what choices to take up. So some kind of struggles are there in your situation, but you need to understand, Scorpios, if you have honest intentions, it may be something to do in your work or again in your relationship. Your intentions are the seeds of success. So if you have positive intentions today, that intention is going to take you through, see you through all difficulties today in your life. So, Scorpios, we will see more cards. It's Fool and Queen of Pentacles. So, you are cheerful, happy. You are going to be cheerful and happy about something, maybe whatever you wish for. You may not see uh, a beginning today, but very soon. So, whatever you are planning to do, it may be some plans. So, your plans are definitely going to succeed, but it may not be today, but very soon. So, you will know what to do today, Scorpios, what to plan for your life, and you may have a lot of dreams, but you should not lose heart by the way things are going today. Circumstances may be a little difficult today, some kind of a pressure situation today. You are unable to make that choice, but you will know, you will get that clarity very soon, and you will see the right path opening out in front of you, which will take you towards your dreams and goals. Maybe path may be different, but you are definitely going to succeed, guys. So if you are wishing for this love, if you are wishing happiness, uh, contentment and togetherness in this love, and you are making efforts for that, then that is what is coming to you in your situation, in your future. So we will see more cards for your circumstance. It's Queen of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. A very beautiful card here, Scorpios. So all your dreams and plans are going to manifest very soon. You can be confident about that. Because with these cards, I feel that though there are certain changes happening today, your honest efforts or your good intentions towards this love, towards your circumstances, and you are wishing good things for yourself and this person, you want to be with them, you love them deeply. So your love is going to change this situation. So I feel that you both are made for each other, Scorpios, and things are going to go in a very beautiful way in your situation. So it's 5 of Cups and 9 of Wands. So there is a long way to go for you, Scorpios, before you reach your goals, but you must never lose hope, and you should not think of the past. Maybe past is something we cannot change. Past is something we are really powerless to change or do anything about. So you must focus on your future. Think of what is going to come for you in your future. And maybe, just like I said, you may not see the changes today, but changes are definitely happening in your life, and your good karma is going to work for you, and things will definitely fall into place for you, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards for your relationship. So even in your career, whatever you wish for or plan for is coming to you very soon. So you must never ever give up and do what you need to do every day. Make those honest efforts. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.